Now in front of us we have question 1 of exercise 1.3. Prove that root 5 is irrational number. So for proving root 5 is irrational, we will take opposite or contrary of that root 5 is rational. So if root 5 is rational number, then we can write this number as a by b in form of a by b. Here b is not equal to 0, and we assume that a and b are co-prime numbers. A and B are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are numbers having 1 only as a common factor, only 1. Okay. Now here is the equation. Root 5 b is equal to a. Now squaring both, right? Squaring both sides. Root 5 b square is equal to a square. So we can write it as 5 b square is equal to a square. So from here you can see that 5 divides a square. 5 divides a square. So by theorem 1.3 we can say 5 divides a. It means 5 is the prime factor of a. So we can write a is equal to 5c. Now put this value in first equation. Put the value of a in first equation, that is 5b square is equal to 5c square. So 5b square is equal to 25c square. 5 under 5, 5 5 is 25. Now b square is equal to 5c square. Now from this equation you can say 5 divides b square. So by theorem 1.3, 5 divides b. You can say that 5 is a factor of b. So from 1 and 2, a and b have 5 as a common factor. From first equation, from second equation, and from first equation, you can say that a and b both have 5 as a common factor. But we take a and b as the co-prime numbers, and co-prime numbers have only 1 as a common factor. So this contradicts our fact. So this contradicts the fact that a and b are co-prime. And this contradiction arises because of the incorrect assumptions that root 5 is a rational number.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.